Discover how to provide instant quotes directly on your website. In this live demo, you'll see an AI assistant answer visitor questions in real time, showing exactly how it can deliver immediate pricing information without human intervention, streamlining your sales process. Your website needs to provide immediate answers to customer inquiries about pricing and services to boost conversions. We'll ask real questions and show you the precise answers your AI chat can provide. The chat icon represents the entire interactive quoting system available to your visitors. Your customers want to know if they can get pricing right away. Let's ask the AI if instant quotes are even an option. Here's what the AI has to say. You can indeed get instant pricing. We offer a free plan, then tiered paid plans from starter at $39 a month, all the way up to Pro at $449. Annual plans also save you 10%. Let us know your needs to find the perfect fit. That's great news! Now your users will naturally wonder about the mechanics behind this speed. How exactly does the AI manage to provide quotes so quickly? Let's see the response it generated. This AI provides pricing in several powerful ways. You can leverage product cards, integrate with real-time data feeds, or utilize your existing knowledge base. It even assists with service bookings, making quoting seamless. As we scroll through more details, the live chat conversation continues to provide context. Understanding the AI's data source is crucial for accuracy. Does it leverage your specific product information to generate these tailored and reliable quotes? The system's reply is now visible. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up, connect your site, and then decide how to provide your product data. Use a real-time feed for dynamic pricing, a website crawl, or even manual entry. The more info you give, the smarter your AI becomes at generating accurate quotes. What about those unique situations? Businesses often have special requirements, so let's see if the AI can adapt and handle custom quote requests. We can review the AI's answer. Absolutely. It gathers details through conversation, like dimensions or materials. For complex needs, it leverages custom tools to connect with your existing systems. And for simpler requests, it uses your knowledge base and pricing rules. Every single answer you've seen so far was dynamically generated from your website's own information. Finally, the most important question for any business owner. You've seen the capabilities. Now, what's the investment required to bring this powerful instant quoting feature to your website? Take a look at the output. Instant quotes are available on our paid plans, with features tailored for dynamic and custom pricing. The Standard and Pro plans offer advanced capabilities for accurate, real-time quoting. Even our starter plan can provide quotes with readily available pricing data. See how effortless it is to offer instant quotes? Experience this AI assistant yourself with a free plan at asyntai.com. No credit card required to get started.